What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the Brown Gen. In today's video, I'm going to bring to your attention an airdrop that you've probably already qualified for, so there's no need to do any sort of farming, but you have until January 31st to claim it. And I'm going to talk a little bit about it and how you can go about making sure that those tokens end up in your wallet and what you can do with them going forward. But before we get into it, just remember nothing I say here is financial advice. Do your own research. And as always, if you've listened to the videos and you're still confused, need support, want some coaching, want some guidance, want to be part of a group with a lot of like-minded individuals here making money in the bull market, well, we got a private group called the Web3 Secret Society. You can access it by joining the YouTube membership by hitting the join button. Now, with that being said, I want to introduce you to Frame, which is an Ethereum L2 that will scale NFT adoption across the Ethereum ecosystem. So it's EVM equivalent and supports all existing Ethereum tooling, so you can use your MetaMask wallet and everything else like that. You remember how crazy people got on NFTs during the last hype cycle? Well, you probably got involved yourself, and if you did, you're in luck because they are rewarding users who had bought NFTs in the last cycle. So about less than a month ago, they announced that they were entering the next chapter of NFTs together. So they had their testnet up, you could do quests on it, and there will be some rewards for that. And as I always say, always do all the voluntary testnet activities because you're not really risking anything. And at the same time, usually they will reward you with some sort of either special access, early access, or a whitelist. And sometimes, and most times recently, they offer you part of the airdrop. So in this announcement back on December 19th, they basically said they were going to do their initial airdrop of the Frame token available to anyone who's traded an NFT on Ethereum the last 2 years. So you're probably not sure. Hey, you know what? I probably did. Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. What you can do to make sure you find out is go to the airdrop website, frame.xyz/governance. I put the link in the description below. When you open it, you won't see this first. You see an envelope. Well, you see a little envelope. You open it up. You see what looks like a little mail, like a postcard. I wish I could try to emulate that again. I wasn't able to. Once you've done that, you see this image. It says NFT bear market rewind. Let's take a deeper look at what you've been up to since the start of 22. So you hit the discover button and it tells you how much volume you traded. In my case, 12,100. I paid $609 in royalties, 13 trades. I ended up in the top 17% of traders, and that is 343,000th on the leaderboard, right? If you want to find out how this is calculated, you can click the button. But by hitting next, you also find out, did you participate in any of the testnet quests? Unfortunately, I didn't. By the time I found out about it, it was too late. This is why, and I'm going to make a video showing you what you can do to make sure you're on top of all of this. But despite that, you still get a significant airdrop. Now, there will be mainnet quests that are coming out on their launch on January 31st, which is the actual last date to claim these tokens. So by hitting next, I have earned a total, and it's going to get up to 105 Frame tokens from this initial distribution. I hit next. It tells you what the summary is. I hit claim. And once again, it doesn't go right away to this. What it will do is it will typically say, sign this to your wallet. So whatever EVM wallet you attach that they found that you did this activity. And then you sort of get this screen and there's nothing else you got to do. On January 31st, you come back and you can interact with Frame and you should have those tokens in your account, and there should be mainnet quests. So make sure you do those as well, because for the future rewards, you also want to earn that. And just as I'm doing this video, If you come back here on Jan 31st, then maybe do the claim before Jan 30th. Jan 30th is the last day, just in case, because you don't want the mainnet to go live on Jan 31st and you're unable to claim those tokens then. You can also go do this for multiple wallets. I know many of you have multi-wallets and you trade a bunch. Well, you may be getting frame tokens on each one of your wallets. So make sure you check that out. I hope that sort of makes sense. And I'm going to make some videos on how you can multi-wallet on IBC, because on Ethereum, it's not that big of a deal. In the IBC ecosystem, it is. Anyways, I always tell you guys, I try to make these videos short and sweet. I have no interest in dragging it out. So cue the outro. Thanks for watching to the end. What did you think? Let us know in the comments below. And if you got value, let others know by liking and sharing the video and subscribing to the channel so you continue to get the most up-to-date alpha. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.